it's Jenny. Today I decided I wanted to do a makeup look. It's kind of inspired by Euphoria, like the rhinestones part for the eyebrows, like how Maddie has it in Euphoria. And I also just wanted to create a fun rainbow look. I'm also a beginner in makeup, I would say. I'm still trying to learn like all the techniques, I guess. I don't know how you would describe it, but I mean, if I can do it, then you could probably follow along as well. Okay, so first I'm gonna use the e.l.f. It's the Poreless Putty Primer. A lot of people have been liking this, so I decided I wanted to give it a try too. I especially have a lot of pore showing because I have oily skin. So for foundation, again, because I have oily skin, I just looked up different types of foundations that is best for oily skin, and the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation came up, and I've honestly been liking it a lot. And I always want to blend down a little bit to the neck. Just apply little by little. I always worry that I'm going to apply too much and then it's going to look super cakey. And I don't want that because when it looks cakey on me, it looks super cakey. I'm going to go ahead and put on some concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, which is also a very popular brand. Basically, I got a lot of popular brands and makeup products because I didn't know where to start. So I'm gonna apply a little bit here. I'm gonna apply some powder. I have a CoverGirl Clean compact powder, so I'm just gonna make sure my skin is locked in. So apply just a little bit where it tends to be oily for me. Okay, there's my powder. That was the CoverGirl Clean powder. I think CoverGirl recently became cruelty-free. I don't know how long ago that was though, but I'm just glad there's another brand out there that is cruelty-free. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the eye look first, and then after I'm done with the eye look, I'm gonna warm up my face. So I have the Urban Decay primer potion, and it's okay. I personally don't really like it. I feel like it doesn't really let me blend eyeshadow that well. So I'm gonna apply that there. I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to use James Charles Morphe mini palette. I'm gonna go in with the color You're Kidding. It's a darker red. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the brush and tap off the excess. I'm gonna put a little bit in my crease and then slowly blend it out. Okay, so it's not gonna look great at first, I know. I'm putting the colors down first so I can make the shape I want to create for the eye look. Okay, the next shade I'm going to go into is 518. It's like a Cheeto Dust orangey color, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my lid. Okay, I'm done applying color there. And you can always apply more later. I'm just putting down the colors down first so I can see what I'm working with. And the next shade I'm going to go into is B, and it's just a yellow color. Okay, so I basically just put all the colors down, and now I'm just gonna create the shape for the red at the outer corner of my eye. I'm just going back in with every color carefully, creating the shape I want, and just blending the colors more seamlessly. So I'm gonna go in with the color Escape on the James Charles Morphe palette. And that's gonna go in the other corner of my eye. Again, I'm just using the same small, like, little blending brush, I would say. Okay, so there's that. Again, starting in the crease. And slowly buffing a color in. Next shade I'm going to use is Playground. It's a lighter blue shade in the palette. And put that in the center. Again, just laying down the colors so you can see what I'm working with. And the final shade I'll go into is called Social Blade. It's like a lime green, light green color. Next, I'm going to take a packing brush and I'm going to go into a light shimmery shade. I'm going to go into Ring Light. Actually, I'm going to put some e.l.f. setting spray on the brush just to make the glitter of the shimmer, or the shimmer, stick a little bit better on my eye. So yeah, going in again, going in with the shade Ring Light, just packing it on a brush. I'm gonna brush off a little bit excess on my hand and just put it all over just to add a little shimmer. I'm gonna go back in with that small, tiny little fluffy brush I have and then go back into Ring Light. And I'm gonna outline just a little bit of the shape. And now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with eyeshadow. I am going to blend just a little bit on the bottom part of my eye, the colors that are at the outer corner of my eyes. I'm going to take a white eyeliner, a gel eyeliner, and just do the bottom waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. With Adeline Morin's palette, I'm gonna take a contour brush and go in with the shade Contour. Just put a little bit on, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna start a little bit by a little bit and then build up. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I don't really like wearing blush that often, but again, in Evelyn Morgan's palette, she has a shade called I Feel Beautiful, and it's like a little peachy pink blush. Okay, next I am gonna just use my finger and go in with the shade Promise Ring on the same palette. And it's like a highlighter, and put a little bit right here. Okay, now I am going to apply gemstones. This is a tough part. I have like this Amazon packet rhinestones with all different sizes. I think it was like $8 on Amazon. And I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I just have like a travel size thing, mascara, and apply just a light coat. Okay, so this is my completed makeup look. I feel like with my curly hair, it kind of looks a little bit like an 80s look. I definitely like how it turned out, even though I'm a beginner. Just creating a fun rainbow look with whatever colors you have, and then doing like the Euphoria styled rhinestones makes it a little bit more fun. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching if you did. And if you want to see more beginner makeup looks or, you know, DIYs, which I plan to make more videos in the future, just subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please let me know and give it a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya!